Another important item to consider when choosing a new gas furnace is not only what model of furnace you're going to install, but how it's installed. At Accutemp, we take a lot of pride in installing furnaces according to the manufacturer's instructions and according to local code requirements. We take the time to make sure that everything is done absolutely perfectly so that these furnaces can run as reliably as possible. New high-efficient furnaces have gotten kind of a bad rap out there, but quite often it's due to poor installation, not necessarily the furnace itself.